Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my brothers, my old friends, my sisters? I hope you guys are doing good. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss about Bitcoin and its fantastic move. Probably yesterday evening, and it was so fast and so beautiful that if you're a bull and if you think BTC will make a new high, then you enjoy when something breaks some resistance. It feels much better than anything. I think it has such a strong dopamine or whatever we call it, that you just enjoy it. And because I'm a Bitcoin hodler, I've been hodling Bitcoin because जब भी मुझसे लोग पूछते, everybody asks me which coin to buy. I always tell them, you must buy other coins, but always keeps your money in Bitcoin because he's the master. Rest of the market bow in front of him. Okay, so what I've seen here, and I'm going to tell you something about some important thing that you got to understand before making, because जब ये rally बनी थी, that rally, we're going to we're going to experience another rally from October to we had a rally towards January, so we can expect another rally. Okay, and that rally is around 200%, for example. So what I'm trying to tell you here, that that BTC is is breaking structures now. What structure? If the whales are if this move is not engineered by us, it's been engineered by strong the market makers. They broke that high. Now what they're going to target? They're going to target the next high because all these highs were protected. So now they are going to hunt. They're going to hunt all the stop losses lying above all these highs. All right, that's the most important thing. Once you break one high, you look for another high, another high. All right, easy peasy. So what I'm trying to tell you here, you got to understand, and you got to understand it like, I mean, try to understand and absorb it like it's an important thing. BTC, in my personal opinion, is not going to give you more chances here in this area. I think BTC probably would not drop into that area of 50K. It probably will, but not from here. In my opinion, maybe one more move to the upside or two move. But BTC for sure hit 63K in this month. BTC more likely will hit 63, and the real battle BTC will have not around here now. I think this structure is being taken out by Bitcoin almost. Look at this. We are taking out this structure. So BTC real battle will not be here now. It will be above these areas now. Okay? But I'm not turning you bullish, but I'm telling you one more important thing that you got to understand. Now you have to understand, if you have bought any coin, like if I say I have bought Dodge around here, I have bought ETH around here, I have bought Neo around here, I have bought Link around here. Now I'm going to tell you very important thing. Don't don't sell them now. Do not sell them here. If you have Link, do not sell at 36. Do not sell at 53. Do not. Your first target is this now. You understand my point? I'll show you what I'm saying here. This is now, what is this? This is, I don't know, yeah. November. This is September. September, we were having lows. Okay, 2020. And look at this. In October, we were ranging. We were not seeing rally. We will see a capitulation in December. And then we had rally. So my question and my point is that we will rally back to these highs. But hona kya hai, and what is going to happen? Most of the focus will stay in BTC. Just accumulate alts. Probably alts next 2 month pump na ho, but do not lose your hope. Yes, there are few coins like Mbox. It is at my point of interest. There are few coins Sol. They may correct further, or they may stay in certain positions. But do not sell your coin if you have bought in these areas. If you get more interested, because in my opinion these 2 months will be dedicated to Bitcoin. 1 and 2 months. These 2 months are for the Bitcoin. October, November, December. Probably in December even. BTC will rule this market now for 3 months, in my personal opinion. I look for more longs in Bitcoin than any other coin. This is the first priority, my priority. And I think BTC will not give me more dips here, in my personal opinion. BTC may not give us more dips. I think BTC is not gonna give us any dip that BTC gives you. Like if I want to buy, I would like to buy here. But in my personal opinion, BTC will not come here. In my personal opinion, BTC will hold these lows or whatever it is going to create. BTC will create some that kind of a structure and then go up. But this is what I think, and BTC will target these highs, and there will be very more likely very less correction we will probably going to see, because we are in this phase. आप इस phase को समझ रहे हैं? This phase. Now if I copy this one and आपने अपने alt से, and do not uh, I'll draw this one from here. Okay, from here to here. This is what is going to happen now. This is what is going to happen. Simple. So आपने अपने ऑल्ट से, these are the level, इस एरिया में अगर आपको BTC मिलता है in this gap anywhere between 51 to 47, my personal opinion, अगर best entry you can have is now $47,000 the monthly open. But if you get any entry into this breaker we break it now. This breaker, $55,000, $50,500. If you get an entry in this breaker, don't miss it out. Don't miss it out. BTC probably will give you an entry, but don't miss it out and focus on Bitcoin. I think alts will run, but not in these months. Alt with runs slow now. It's time. I mean, I would like to see what coin market cap. And do not close your longs. This is what I'm saying. Look at the volume. Volume of BTC has surged. Now this is the. I'll show you something. Look at the volume. 14. Sorry, where is the volume? Yes, $33 billion. $30 billion on October 5th. On October 6th, $49 billion. Look at the volume. All the money is moving into BTC. $49 billion, and we are trading at $1 trillion. $1 trillion BTC की market cap हो गई है. Look at this volume. Volume is moving into it. Last time हमने $49,000 कब देखा था? Let's see. When was the last time we had $49,000? It's been 2 months. No 49. No 49. I'll show you when. No 49. Even not in August. No 49. No 49. Yes, we had 51. July 26th. And after that, BTC. After that, BTC. I would like to see. This is probably that Elon. I would like to see some average in 49, and probably we may go towards. Sorry, this is very strange volume. Okay, probably we will go $19 billion, very less. I would like to see where it is. Where is the volume of 49? Yes, 58K. Impressive, very impressive. 58K. Now we had $58 billion. Very nice. $52 billion. I would like to see last October mein what was the volume. What was the volume in October? $88 billion. Oh my god, this volume is going to increase in my personal opinion. But this 49, yes, this 49. Look at this. The price open at $49,000 and the price closes at 51. 49.51. Okay, this is very interesting. So we are holding the level. What I'm trying to tell you is that do not close your open longs here. The alts will not run as expected. Like if that's an AVEX is a different coin because it's been running in a different mood, and I'm very bullish on this coin because I think this coin has a rally of, like, in my personal opinion, it is creating this base. जिस बंदे ने इसके ऊपर patience रख लिया, like this coin, because we need to show some patience. If this coin, if you're able to manage some patience here, I think you will be able to make lots of money from this coin because it has broken out of a wedge, but this is not a solid wedge in my opinion. So if you showed some patience and if you start buying below this, I mean anything below this area, you will make money in this coin. I think this coin will put some big massive green candle, like I show you in what coin I think it will follow. It will follow, in my opinion, it will run like AXS. Look at this. Oops. Let's close this and AVX. Okay, let's put it weekly here. Yeah, and auto. Yes, this is this chart, and watch this chart. What do you see here? I'm going to put some charts here, and what do you see here? What do you see here in these two charts? Do you see what I see? We had this leg down, and we had this leg. हमारी ये leg complete हो गया almost. Yeah, in my opinion, we had this leg left because this is the first leg of the move. We are making a second leg, and then we will make, or probably we have this leg. We're going to put second leg. This is the second leg. अगर हम देखें, in my personal opinion, this is the leg that we had made here. This is the leg. This is the one that we are making here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we can have 3 weekly candle below, and then we will go up. It can happen. But what I'm trying to tell you is that do not sit on these coins, and do not think that these coin will go will, like, ये ऐसे भी कर सकता है जैसे यहाँ हुआ है. It will go up, rejects, come down, go up. It can do that. But the point which I'm trying to tell you is that do not leave this coin below this area. If you bought it here, do not miss it up. Why? Because, I mean, what I'm seeing here is like, why I'm saying all the time this. This is the L1 coin. We'll study about L1. And the second thing that is very important from this coin is that, I mean, this coin break out of its all-time high, which has been made in the February. Now this is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. These are the 5 months, and what it has achieved. What I'm trying to tell you is that इस coin ने ये accumulation की है. 5 months of accumulation. This accumulation is not supposed to hit this high. This accumulation is going to break it. If you notice that high, and if you put simple, like 500% from here, like this is the 500%. 500% from the top. So if this is at $60 and this is 5x from here, this is the simple. It has to go to $300. This is simple math in my personal opinion. And one more thing, do not sit on ETH. If you get an opportunity, I think ETH will break this high and ETH will revisit the lows. It probably will break the high. But what I'm saying is that do not close your long if you bought ETH here and you ask me where to sell. Come on, for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is not the time to sell off your assets. Hold your assets now. BTC की जितनी भी money है, like $1 trillion of the money will flow into the assets, like every asset. अपने strong coin पे focus करें, उन coin पे focus करें जिनकी news है, जो active है. Put your money and sit on it. coins mat change करें. Today I'm going to share you one coin. Look at this burger. Look at the burger. Somebody was asked me like millions time, यार burger का pump होगा. Look at the pump of burger. Burger has pumped almost 100% and is going back. And I believe this coin will go back. This coin will clear these levels, will clear the highs. Look at the BTCST. My मेरे बहुत प्यारे भाई ने BTCST के बारे में बात करते थे. Look at the pump. Lots of people ask me, I used to buy this BTCST at around $26 and look at this where it is standing. So these are the coins that you got to give the time. आप ये नहीं expect कर सकते. Alice, I have Alice. How much pump I have enjoyed from Alice, you cannot understand. I have Alice and I bought it around these levels. I always had Alice. So question, what I'm trying to tell you is that do not sell your assets. If you have anything you have bought at lows, do not sell it. I'm not going to sell Dodge now. I think Dodge will hit $1 or even more. But if I bought at 18 cents, why would I be worried? Look at that LTC. One of my favorite coins. LTC. And this is again second time LTC gave an opportunity at $140. Do not miss LTC. LTC can easily go to $1,000 or even $1,500. You got to be patient enough because पैसा भी BTC में है. BTC is consolidating. Once BTC is done, BTC will rally again. BTC is not going to stop. Watch my chart here. In my personal opinion, now where is the main logical resistance? I'll show you. This is the main logical resistance now BTC had. Yes, people use fib. I'll draw a line here. This is the logical resistance here. I'll draw a line here from here, and I think that's it. That's the logical resistance now. First, that's the logical resistance around $68,000, and we will probably, and then the second logical resistance is at $75,000. And if, I mean, like, look at this. If we are in a wave, like if we are simple, if we are in these two waves, where's the first place where you take profits? BTC, that's the low. If that's the low, that's the high. Where is it gonna go? It's gonna go to $77,000. Okay, on the Coinbase chart. This is 121618. So मेरा अगर opinion है, if this is the simple correction done, and if this is the first wave and this is the second wave, now where are we going? We're going here. So हमें तो hold रखना है. I bought 33. I had 29. So these are the level I have. So I have told people to buy BTC, and now it's BTC time. BTC में rallies आएंगी. अभी BTC will rule the game. Your alts will not. Look at these candles. Do you think these candles are bearish? Look at the volume. Volume expand hoga now. These candles are upright. But do not use the futures. Use the standard spot trading because market is volatile and you're getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% gains. Why would you go for leverage? Leverage for the professional traders. Like if I play the leverage game, which I don't like playing it because it is not allowed in our religion. I think ये तो वैसे आलमों की बहस है. हमारे उलमा कराम इस बारे में बता सकते हैं. लेकिन what I'm saying is that, it is not even possible to buy it is not right to do the leverage in my opinion. The interest rate that we are paying against it, which is not right. And look at the funding. Look at the funding. Oh my god, that was the first spike yesterday on 4-hour chart. First spike after so many time. That's the first spike we had. So keep an eye on funding. I think funding is the key here, but I believe this is just getting started. We are going to rally because this kind of an area I expect. We are going to rally now. So do not be scared. Buy the dips of Bitcoin. Buy the dips. Any dip that you get. If you get something close to 51k, buy it. 50k, buy it. If you got an opportunity at 48k, do not miss it. This is not a bearish setup. All right. I hope it helps. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.